So today I'd like to talk to you about something that's really important at this time of year, and that's sun damage in our pets. And really, the ones we tend to see the problems in are cats. Now, sun rays have just as much damaging effect in pets as they can do in people, but generally speaking, the hair protects them. But there are some exceptions to that rule. So obviously, if you have a hairless cat or a white cat, like Marney here, then they're more at risk to the damage, although any cat can be affected in the areas such as the tips of the ears or the nose, where the hair covering is quite thin. And what can happen is that it starts off with just sunburn, but over time that damage gets worse and worse, and they can go on to develop cancers of the ear. And those cancers are really nasty and invasive cancers, and really the only thing you can do is actually chop the ear off, or do radiotherapy, or there's some new human cancer drugs that can help too, but it's quite a nasty invasive tumour. And obviously if it affects the nose, then chopping the nose off can be quite difficult. Now, Marney here is an example of one of the earlier stages, and if you have a look here at the tips, what you can see is that the sun damage has started to cause all the hair to disappear from the tips of the ears, and you've got these little black crusts that have started. Now, over the course of the next year or so, with repeated exposure to the sun, that'll go on probably to develop a cancer. So what we need to do is try and prevent that getting any worse, or possibly remove these ear tips to prevent that being a problem. So this is quite a common condition, and I would just advise you to be careful at this time of year and keep a close eye on your pet's ears, and any problem, get them checked out by the vet.